We're here with Unity Schools Partnership, and we've just got a group of 9 secondary schools visiting the Welcome Julian campus today.
There are a lot of photos of genes that are involved in eye colour.
The school conference is an amazing opportunity because we have about 200 Year 10 students from the Unity School Partnership who join us to explore what working in genomics looks like. We're able to help upskill those students, we can showcase some of the Sanger science and hopefully inspire those students to see themselves as the scientists of the future.
I think a huge inspiration would have been for Vala at the start. It's kind of working on malaria research, but also, the travelling, seeing Africa, and that's quite inspiring, I think, for a lot of our students in Suffolk.
You still like around 14 and 15, you are young, you can make a difference, like a mosquito does.
The first session we looked at almost a speed dating style kind of activity where students got to quiz members of this company, kind of what they do, and so they got to really see, how does this relate to me and what could I bring to the table, and kind of see the breadth of jobs and skills that the guys working here have. And they get to see a campus like this, actually what it's like day to day, and kind of see adults working in this environment and get to see that cutting edge research that we don't get to show them in schools.
We all had such a good time today, and I had so many good questions. At least half of them I could answer, and the other half I enjoyed even more. At least one of them asked me if they could have a work experience here, and 3 of them asked, how did you get to be in the role you're doing right now? It sounds really cool. They were great conversations.